Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the eToro app on your mobile device. In this case I'm using iPhone, but it's the exact same for Android. So go down to the App Store, this blue button on the right hand side if you're on iPhone, or go to the Android Store if you're on, or the Google Play Store if you're on Android, sorry. And then go down to the bottom right section, there's the search button, the search page, and then start typing in eToro and then press search. And so the first link will be for crypto.com or another advertisement. Skip past that and go to eToro, trade and invest. And then you press the get button. Then it's going to ask us to confirm with Face ID. And you can do that by double clicking pretty fast on the right hand side button. That's going to scan our face. And then once it's accepted, it's going to start downloading. So please make sure that you have a good internet connection before you start downloading, because it is quite a big file size. So now that eToro has fully downloaded, it's time to basically run the app. So you can press the open button from within the App Store, press that open button, and it's going to launch the eToro app and basically run it. Joined 3 million users in the United Kingdom. So what you can do is press this green button, get started, if you do not have an account yet, or you can press the login button if you already have your email and password and you already have an account. So I'm going to press the get started, and it gives you the option to sign in with Apple or Google, Facebook or email, and then just follow the steps, fill in all of your details, and then you'll have access to the eToro account. As I said before, if you already have an account, you can go to login and just start using the eToro app. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Thanks.